Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we got another unboxing for you. That's right. I can't believe it. You can't believe it. Man, the guys here at the farm, they can't believe it. We got unboxing videos left and right now. We know we're very fortunate, but we do have an unboxing video here of an AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. As always, guys, in the description down below, we'll have links to everything. But I know you guys are as excited, just as I am, just as excited as the other guys in the team, the other team members are, to get to actually play with this thing, to see it firsthand, to see what's going on with this thing. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
As always, guys, please do your own research in the description down below. Once again, you'll be able to see this thing. But one of the nice features of this AMD Ryzen 9 3900X was it was available. That's right, it was at Micro Center. So that's going to be a place where you are going to be able to pick this up. Hopefully, you guys know you guys got to do a lot of other things, but that is where we were able to secure one of these. But that's the best thing, is we actually got one of them in hand, guys. So we're doing some testing with it. But a couple key features here. Max boost clock up to 4.6 gigahash. Number of CPU cores, we've got 12. Total L3 cache, 64 megabytes. Number of threads, 24. We also have PCI Express version, PCIe 4.0 times 16. Base clock of 3.8 gigahertz. We've got total L2 cache of 6 megabytes. All sorts of fun stuff here. Max temps at 95C. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to water cool this, so you're not even worried about that Wraith cooler. I love the Wraith cooler because it's got that RGB stuff to it. So lots of fun stuff here. System memory specifications up to 3200 megahertz. System memory type, you guys know you need that DDR4 with this. Memory channels 2. So we do have an unboxing here of an AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. And like I said, I got to say a huge thank you to the team for holding off on cracking this open and letting us get this unboxing. So let's get into it. Here you guys go. You can see this box. Man, this box is large and in charge. Here's that Wraith processor like we talked with you about. It's got that RGB with it. But here you go. You can see this box. Once again, this thing is pack fresh, pack sealed. You guys will hear me talk about that a lot. If it's not pack fresh and not pack sealed, it is not brand new. Here is a view of that top here for you. So let's go ahead and get this thing cracked so you guys can see what's inside a box on one of these things. If you guys have used this processor, please comment down below. Let us know what you think, what you like or you don't like about it. If there was some different types of setups, certain motherboards that it didn't work good. If there's a better, cheaper processor, please let us know. We'd love to know those types of things. Lots of other people that are out there in the community liking to know these things. But we got this great unboxing here. A Ryzen processor. Look at this thing. I like the showmanship of this stuff, quite frankly. I mean, it makes me feel like I'm getting a Rolex or something. That's what's important. You don't want to bend your pins, guys, when you're putting these in. It's always worth taking the extra time to mess with that. But so far, there's what we've seen in the box. Once again, I love the showmanship. It comes with a couple other pamphlets and those types of things. And then let's get to what I love the most, is that Wraith cooler. Like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon. That way you can keep up with our other unboxings, our other work series. We got some shenanigans going on out here at the GPU mining farm. All sorts of fun stuff. Comment down below, let us know what you think. If you like this type of cooler, if you like this processor, if you like Ryzen, if you're an Intel person or you don't like Intel, if you like AMD better, you guys got to comment down below, let us know. This has been an unboxing of this Ryzen 9, this Ryzen 7, Once again, this is an unboxing here, and you guys will hear me screw up a lot. That's one of the things that I really love about our channel, is we're not as hoity-toity, as upper nonchalant as everyone else. We can screw up and still keep going. We've got an AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. We've got an unboxing here. And like I said, a couple of reasons that we like this thing was A, because we could get our hands on it. B, it's a Ryzen, so you know it's going to do some ripping and gripping. But here, once again, are some different specs. Base clock 3.8. I easily see us getting well more than that, keeping temps down. You can do water cooling on these types of things. You are going to need that DDR4 RAM. In the description down below, we got a link so you can see where you can actually find out more information on this. Like I said, we were able to secure these things at Micro Center. Those are places that you need to see, the Best Buy shuffles and those types of things. You can get some of these other things, but we really love this processor because A, it is in hand. So, we're going to wrap this up. Comment down below, let us know what you think. If you hated this unboxing, well, you better tell us. If you love this processor, let us know. If you want to say hi to the team members out here, definitely say what's up to Zach and Tim. These guys are some kick-ass dudes. But, wrapping things up, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Really appreciate your time and checking out this unboxing of this AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.